Good morning and welcome to Year 4 Maths. Today we are going to be learning to multiply by 10. So first of all, write in the small date and underline it, and then write in the learning objective. I can multiply by 10 and underline that. So last week we practiced counting in steps of 10 from 0 and then from any number. Let's have another practice of that now. Start at 0 and count in steps of 10. Then try from 3 and then 7 and then 5 and then 2. You can colour in the steps as you count. Pause this now and have a go. When we count in steps of 10, the 1's number stays the same, but the 10's number changes. You can see this below on the 100 square. So if I start at 2 and I count on in steps of 10, I get to 12. And if I add another 10, I get to 22. And another 10, and I get to 32. Then 42, add 10 more, it's 52. Add 10 more, it's 62. 10 more, it's 72. 10 more, it's 82. And 10 more, it's 92. So what we want to look at is here. When we add 10, the 1's column stays the same, and here you can see, but the 10's column changes. Being able to see 100 square in your head will help you with adding 10. So being able to memorise this and being able to see it clearly when you're thinking about numbers will really help. If you can think of the 100 square, then if you're adding 10, all you have to do is drop down to the next number. Practice this as much as you can. Practice counting in steps of 10 from any number on here. Try from 45 or 76 or 38 or 22, from 16 or from 83. So what happens if we count in steps of 10 from 93? Where do we go? Have a think. So here is a 200 square. We can use this to help us look at numbers beyond 100. And here is 100. So let's try counting from 93 in steps of 10 and see what happens. So we've got 93, 103, 113, 123, 133, 143, 153, 163, 173, 183, 193. Now try counting in steps of 10 from 0 to 200. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. Then try these numbers below and see how far you can get. So try from 38, 72, 97, 89, 65 and 24. Pause this while you have a try. You may want to spend some time practicing counting beyond 100. I will show you how we say the numbers from 100 to 120 to help. So here is 100. So then we go 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Have a practice at those numbers, making sure you can recognise them and can say them. So let's come back to counting in steps of 10 from 0. So we did from 10 to 200. So counting in steps of 10 from 0 helps us with our 10 times table. One step of 10 is 10. 2 steps of 10 is 20. 3 steps of 10 is 30. 4 steps of 10 is 40. 5 steps of 10 is 50. Can you carry on until you get to 12 steps out of 10? Pause this and have a try. The 10 times table. So I've started it for you, but can you carry it on? So here we've got 1 times 10 is 10. And I've written it out, and you need to try and write the answers down here. Pause this and have a go now. How did you do? Did you get them right? Were there any you got stuck on? If you did, have a practice. So challenge time. Time yourself answering the following 10 times table questions. See how long it takes you. Off you go. How did you do? Remember, when we know a number fact from memory, we can answer it in under 4 seconds. If there were any that you found tricky, circle them and make sure that these are the ones that you really practice. Here are some resources for practicing your 10 times table. So try Times Table Rockstars, TT Rockstars. The address is here. You will need to log in for this. If you haven't got your login details, please email us. Twinkle is also free at the moment, and there are some games and activities on here that you can try. Thank you.